The adjustable solar panel mount is designed to enhance the efficiency of solar panels by allowing you to adjust the angle between 15 and 30 degrees, potentially increasing energy capture by up to 25%. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, these mounting brackets are built to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. This versatile mount is suitable for a wide range of applications, including flat roofs, walls, RVs, trailers, boats, and yachts, making it a flexible solution for off-grid energy needs. Each kit includes all necessary components for installation, such as mounting bases, long brackets, L-joints, rubber buffers, and screws, making setup straightforward and hassle-free. The precision hole design of the brackets allows for easy alignment and secure attachment of solar panels, ensuring they are firmly in place. KCUT offers responsive customer support for any inquiries, promising to address any questions or concerns within 24 hours.